So let's talk about duality. What is duality? For example, we have two eyes, two ears, two hands, two legs. They are all dual. You cannot work without another one. If this eye is missing, you cannot see properly. One hand is missing. You cannot work with just one hand if one leg is missing. So both are required for you to work in your life, to make progress in your life, to be in alignment, to do everything you're doing. Same way life it have duality. If I have pain, if I have pleasure, if I have sorrow, if I have laughter, if I have happiness, it has sadness, if it's fear, it will have courage. Nothing comes single. If one is not there, you will not understand the value of other thing. Because as a body is in duality, same way the abstract feeling which we fight in our everyday life is also a part of duality. You need both to be balanced. So that's how when you go into the spiritual journey, you realize that thing that both are important for me. One is to learn, and other one to grow from that learning experience, and they're part of me. Until you do not go to sorrow and pain, you will not understand how happy you feel, how lovely you feel when you conquer that battle. So life is a duality. First thing you have to have acceptance towards it, and then realize they cannot exist without each other. They are one, and there is no separation from within. The separation is from outside, because you're fighting that duality outside with pain, pleasure, love, happiness. Inside it is one, it is connected, that you cannot exist without me, I cannot exist without you. Outside we have to fight like we are enemies. Same way with these things, okay, they are not together, they are separate, but one cannot do without the other. You need one. See, there's so much distance between them, still one cannot do without the other. You need both hands, leg, eyes. So that is what duality is. Thank you.